Hey everyone, let's draw something spooky and sparkly. A flying bat poppet. Get your colors ready and let's get started. Welcome to Glitty Art. First, I draw the shape of a bat. I make sure the wings are wide and curved like a real bat in flight. Then, I draw the bat's head right in the center. Next, I draw some lines inside the bat's body to divide it into sections. Now, I add circles in each section to create a poppet design. Did you know? Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly. They use their wings, which are made of skin and stretched fingers, to move through the air. Now it's time to start coloring. First, I use glitter black to color the head of the bat. Then, I use glitter red for the first section of the body. Next, I use glitter orange for the second section. Then, I color the third section with glitter yellow. Some bats help pollinate flowers and spread seeds, just like bees and birds. That makes them very important for nature and our environment. Finally, I use glitter green to color the fourth section. And there you have it, a bat that pops with color and fun. Thanks for drawing with me. See you in the next video. And until then, keep creating and keep smiling. Bye-bye.